There, welcome to Social Guidance. In this video, I will show you how to create bot on Telegram. So for this, open the Telegram app. Here over we have this magnifying glass in the top right corner. Click on it and search for bot further and press enter. So you will find this option here. Click on it and now here you will find the option of start. Click on start and there you will find multiple bots. You can click on the link with which you want to get started. So here we have the edit bots, like you can set name. If you want to set the name of your bot, you can go with this one. If you want to add description, you can go with this one. Then we have different bot settings like authorization, bot retoken, and toggle lines. Then we have web apps where you can edit your bot. And then we have games. So in this way, you can create bot on Telegram. This is it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you have any question, please comment down below and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.